if I give you a network here, and I'm going to show you all these currents. This circle with an arrow represents a current, okay? And I'm going to have these 4 currents, okay? And I have 2 nodes. I have one at the top and one at the bottom. So the meeting point of circuit elements is called a node. So I have 2 nodes. So this is called a node. And then down here at the bottom, this is also called a node. And I'm going to sum the currents into and out of the node. So if I tell you that this is 5 amps, 2 amps, and 1 amp, and then my question to you is, what is IX? What is IX? Okay. So we have 5 amps going in the top node. And then we have 2 amps coming out of the top node. And then I have IX coming out. Okay. So going inside that top node, I have 5 plus 1. Coming out of that top node, I have 2 plus IX. I want you all to tell me what IX is. Okay. So looking at this top node, right? 5 amps is going in. 1 amp is going in. 2 amps is coming out. And IX is coming out. I don't know what IX is. How am I going to find IX? MSC 9612, winner, winner, chicken dinner. So I'm going to have 6 equals 2 plus IX. So IX equals 4 amps. Very good.